No shoes, no, still.
Dear Lord, this evening, all the Indian community, we get together here to pay sympathy to the family of Rita Prema. We pray God to help family of Rita. We pray to help her father, Narayan Prema. Dear Lord, help her in this big situation is passing through and her family. We all pray for her and for the dead that is in her first duties ending. few words as you are going through a weak situation, weak time. May God help you and help you in all the ways that you need. I would like to read a verse from the Bible in John 11, chapter 11, verse 25 and 26. Jesus says to her, I am the resurrection and the life. He who believes in me, though he may die, but he shall live. And whoever lives and believes in me shall never die. This is the word of Lord. Rita, you know that he loves the dead so much, and everybody loves the dead. And know how they feel when they away from you. We will pray that your Father will be rest in peace and God will take care of him.
Express my sincere gratitude for being in the community for coming tonight and to pay condolences. From the bottom of my heart, I thank you for the prayers and for all of you coming in tonight. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support.
Seven times on Google search for it. Gayatri.
Which is the Gayatri Mantra? So seven.
जी पिता परमेश्वर आपसे यही प्रार्थना विनती करते हैं कि जो जीव का यहाँ से बिछो हुआ है आप उसे सदैव सदगति की प्रदानता करेंगे कि भगवान यही शब्दों के साथ आपके चरण में गायत्री मंत्र का उच्चारण करेंगे। भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्।
got a show on Friday. I'm on the show. But he'll be here also. And Friday evening also.
Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you. Remember, we are here. Okay. Good night.